Today's video is all about the new pair of Dr Martens sandals, the Boss Quad Fluffy Faux Fur Heart Sandal, and I have it right here, and we're going to be doing an unboxing try on haul. I'm going to tell you where I got it from, all that good stuff, as well as I'm going to be doing a comparison of my other pair of Voss sandals, like the difference between the platform and everything. So if you want to see these new pair of shoes with the hearts, I can't wait to see them. Then continue watching. Hello beautiful souls, my name is Candace and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. So let's open it. You guys, I got these shoes at Acura online, not in store, and I am a women's size 10. And usually in Dr Martens, I get a 10 in all their sandals and a 9 in all of their boots. And I am normally a size 10. So, of course, the regular box, my shipping stuff. Y'all. OMG. Let me get up close with these. Y'all, a little bit of comparison already, but y'all, by the way, Acura was the only place that had these left, and they only have, I went on their website today and they only have one size left, which is the size 11. But let me try these babies. And look, y'all, let me show you this detail real quick before I try. The hearts everywhere on the fur. Okay, let me try these on. Care what nobody say, they outdid themselves with this shoe. You guys, them hearts everywhere. And then I like that, just like the other pair of Voss sandals, they have the double strap on the back and on the front where you could adjust it on the back and at the front, because like me, I have skinny ankles and my shoes sometimes flip off my feet, so you can make them super tight, and if not, you could just add another hole to it. And these platforms are so much bigger than these, y'all. By the way, these are patent leather ones. Oh, look at that. These are the difference. Let me back up. That's the difference with the platform. Yeah. This shoe is 2 inches compared to this one. I want to say it's like 1.5 inches. But it seems bigger than 2 inches, so y'all, these are my new favorite pair of shoes, sandals. These are my favorite shoes of all time, even better than my other pair of Dr Martens with the hearts, you know, because I love hearts. I love everything about hearts. I put it in every one of my videos because I love them so much. Hearts love, because I love you guys and I love everyone. I love you, mean it. That's our word today. But y'all, I don't know what y'all think. I love these so much. This is shoe candy. These are the best things invented in life. And another thing I wanted to say is that these are so light. These are light as well as these are real light. These are bricks. My gladiator sandals, these are bricks. But these, they have like a soft, like, I don't know. These are like your boot soles, and these are different. These are like foam, softer. I mean, these have my feet hurting. I don't want to wear nothing like to a festival with these, even though these are so gorgeous, but not as gorgeous as these. But I wouldn't wear these to a festival or anything because they are so like bricks. But these, and I will be so cute, and I could represent my heart. Oh y'all? What do y'all think? Am I tripping? Or are these just everything? And the bigger platform is life. I don't care what anybody say. I need a platform in my Chucks, in my Vans, in my everything, or a heel. Because the platform just makes your shoes even that much better. Love it. So that was the comparison. I'm obsessed with hearts. I'm in love. So if you like this video about my new pair of Dr. Martens that are so gorgeous and wonderful and perfect, then show your girl some love and hit that thumbs up button right now. Right now. Because I'm going to be coming through with all the good health and fitness. Talking about the internal beauty exuding outwardly, because there's nothing about that internal beauty shining through for me. So subscribe, because guess what? I'm going to keep them videos coming. I'm going to keep them videos coming. I'm going to keep them videos coming. Yes. Because I love Dr. Martens. If you love Dr. Martens like me, let me know down below, because I'm obsessed. I really need to stop. I don't need to buy any more. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you're perfect. You're perfect. You are perfectly human. Yes. Shout out to all my perfect gang. Throw up them hearts. Gang, 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 gang. Perfect gang and no gang. Let's connect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I answer all my questions down below, so ask me anything. I love you, mean it. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.